How much does it cost to repair a car that shuts off in reverse?
Welcome to our automotive troubleshooting guide. Today, we'll discuss an interesting issue. What happens when your car shuts off in reverse? We'll break down the potential causes and give you an idea of how much it may cost to repair.
Why does a car shut off in reverse?
The first step to solving this issue is understanding why it happens. Cars can shut off in reverse for a number of reasons, including transmission problems. If your car's automatic transmission is malfunctioning, this could be the issue. An automatic transmission has multiple gears for different speeds and directions, and issues with the reverse gear could cause the car to shut off when it's engaged. Engine problems. Engine misfires or issues with the idle air control valve can also cause your car to shut off when you try to reverse. If your car's engine isn't running properly, it may not be able to handle the stress of operating in reverse. Fuel system issues. Problems with your car's fuel system, such as a clogged fuel filter or faulty fuel pump, can cause the car to stall in reverse.
How much does it cost to repair?
Now, let's talk about the potential cost of repairing this issue. It will vary depending on the specific problem and the make and model of your car. Here's a general idea of what you might expect. Transmission repairs. If your transmission needs to be repaired or replaced, this can be expensive. A simple repair may cost a few $100s, but replacing an entire transmission can run from $1,500 to $3,000. Engine repairs. Costs for engine repairs can vary widely, from around $100 for a simple fix to $1,000 or more for a major overhaul. Fuel system repairs. Repairing a fuel system issue is typically less expensive, with costs ranging from $50 to $200. Remember, these costs are rough estimates and the actual cost may vary based on your specific situation.
Is it worth it to repair?
Whether it's worth it to repair your car depends on several factors, including the age and overall condition of your vehicle, the specific repair cost, and your personal financial situation. If the cost of the repair exceeds the value of the car, it might be more economical to consider replacing the vehicle instead. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of why a car might shut off in reverse and the potential cost of fixing this issue. Remember, accurate diagnosis is key. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if you're experiencing this problem with your car. Safe driving!